Stop it! Why do you always have to ruin my videos? I should use my magical powers to get the snake. Oh yeah. Yeah, anyways, in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you the secret to my success. How to get along with evil cats. Step 1. Bribe them into liking you. Look at what I got you. Do you like it? Don't leave me! No! Step 2. Do what the cat wants to do. Step 3. Force the cat to sit on your lap. Yeah. Once you do all these 3 steps, you and your cat will have a wonderful relationship. You might not want to trust me on this one. Of course you whispered!
Okay, I'm here.
I want you to rock me.
I'm away in the country and you're saying
I want you to
subscribe to LRK Music.
evil cats.